Let's add a comment to one of our blog entries to see how it works. So we'll go to Content, and let's go to the Thank you for a great 2028. You can see here that there's a layout problem, and this is caused by the Colorbox module. In future versions of Colorbox, this will likely be fixed. But if we want to adjust this ourselves, we're going to need to add some CSS, which we'll do in just a little bit. Here's our comment form. Let's fill it out. We'll click Save, and now there's a comment. If we viewed this as an anonymous user, I'm going to open up our anonymous user window here in the Chrome Incognito window. We see the comment, but we don't see the comment form. So now we have some decisions to make about who we want to allow to add comments. Right now it feels like in the spirit of the site, we want the public to be able to add comments. To do that, we'll have to give anonymous users permission to add comments. And because that will now be a publicly exposed form, we'll want to set up spam protection. At this point, we're using both Honeypot and Mollum for that. And finally, we need to decide if we want to moderate the submissions. If we moderate them, when a user submits a comment, they'll get a message that says, hey, this needs to be moderated before it shows up. If we decide not to moderate them, the comment will show right away. But that means that if someone is posting something that's inappropriate, that we don't get to check it before it shows up on our public site. We'll look at how to set it up both ways. But what we know for sure is that we want the public to be able to comment.